Good evening. So now, today just I have decided to convey a message for the curious students, those who are very much interested just to learn spoken English. Obviously, a very good craze. But before that, I would say there are so many commercialized center. They are sharing the spoken English is taught here. But how? You see, we are born Bengali, we cannot deliver a speech properly, or either we cannot ask questions to the others or opponents or either students or either publicly. So exactly I would say you should always have a perfect knowledge of English grammar and should know formation of sentences. Then thereafter the grammar, the literal, it is not complicated. Subject, object, verb, complement, adverbials, attributes, and words too. Though it is not important much, what else? The words that we know, it is enough. Which the structural formation of syntax is very much important to be picked up initially before entering into schools. Those schools teach you spoken English. So I would always say, don't be attracted to this. It should have a perfect concept that how long would it take to make a student perfect at spoken English. Exactly when the students they start learning English, at the very same time it is to be applied. And all it is sudden, after completion of 12 or before that, if the students deserve to learn English, they should know about the preliminary knowledge about English, at least the parts of speech. But here, we do not teach that. When we the teachers from the beginning, we do not start teaching like this way. Simply we teach the students to follow the text, get it crammed, get the answers ready through practicing, following notes and others, and thereafter test papers, questions bank. So like this way, the students are assured to secure marks. Yes, they achieve success. But thereafter, the students, they think English is really an important language, is to be picked up at any cost. It's a good concept. It's a good idea. And one should have such reservation. But before that, I should always say, please pay attention to the parts of speech and sentential structures, and then 9 WH. Then divide it, the WH is noun, adjective and adverb. Then only we will be. Then we need to know the clauses, the phrases, at least. It is not tough, it is not complicated, one can easily pick it up. So this is the message and you should follow. Goodbye.